Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome. Ever heard of an HSA and wondered what it is? It's a health savings account, a fantastic way to save and pay for medical expenses with significant tax advantages. It's essentially a personal savings account, but specifically designed for healthcare. Many people find it incredibly useful for both immediate needs and long-term financial planning. It really is a powerful tool for your health and wealth. So, who qualifies for one of these great accounts? The main requirement is being enrolled in a high-deductible health plan, often called an HDHP. You also can't be covered by other health insurance, like Medicare, or be claimed as a dependent on someone else's taxes. It's designed for those taking on more responsibility for their initial healthcare costs, offering a big benefit in return. Checking your eligibility is the first step toward unlocking these advantages. One of the most compelling reasons to have an HSA is its incredible triple tax advantage. First, the money you contribute is tax-deductible, lowering your current income taxes. Second, your account grows entirely tax-free, allowing your savings to compound faster. Third, and perhaps best of all, when you use the funds for qualified medical expenses, those withdrawals are completely tax-free too. It's like getting 3 tax breaks in one, making it a very powerful savings vehicle. How do you actually use your HSA money? It's super flexible. You can use it to cover a wide variety of qualified medical expenses, things like deductibles, copayments, prescriptions, and even dental or vision care. Many people pay for current expenses and save receipts to reimburse themselves later. There's no use it or lose it rule, so your money rolls over year after year, giving you total control over your healthcare dollars. While HSAs are great for current medical costs, their long-term potential is truly remarkable. Many people choose to invest their HSA funds, letting them grow over decades tax-free. This makes it an incredibly powerful retirement savings vehicle, often called a super Roth because of the triple tax benefits. After age 65, you can even use the money for non-medical expenses, though it would be taxed like a traditional 401k. It's a fantastic way to plan for both health and wealth in retirement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.